La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Olayinka Ramota Karim, the Vice-Chancellor of Fountain University, Oshogbo. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. The Chancellor, the Pro-Chancellor, the Vice-Chancellor of Minaret University, our KBACs, my dear colleagues, the Vice-Chancellors of other universities that are here, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, once again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm indeed very happy to be here to join other Vice-Chancellors to celebrate the inauguration of Minaret University. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. I want to specially congratulate the proprietor of the university, the Ahmadiyya Society Worldwide, for founding this university and for having the inauguration today, just like my university that is being founded by NASFAT Worldwide. And I'm also very happy to congratulate my dear brother, Professor Abdullah, becoming the pioneer Vice-Chancellor of this great citadel of learning. I want to join everyone to wish Minaret University the best, because I know that the university is being established on a solid foundation to produce competent graduates that are morally upright and also spiritually developed in Islamic faith. I congratulate Minaret University and also congratulate the Vice-Chancellor for being the pioneer Vice-Chancellor of the university. I want to wish you a successful tenure, and I'm happy to inform us this day that Minaret University is already a member of the consortium of Islamic faith-based institutions in Nigeria. This consortium was founded last year, and the maiden conference was held at Fountain University. And Minaret University was appropriately and adequately represented. And the university was also admitted as a member of the consortium of Islamic faith-based universities in Nigeria. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Once again, congratulations to Minaret University, congratulations to the pioneer Vice-Chancellor, and I wish you a successful program. Thank you. Takbir. Allahu Akbar. Thank you.